Looking to make your property a cut above the rest? Hook up to MK Martin's 700 Series Rotary Cutter. Now, with a 7-inch deep mowing deck, the MK700 Series carves its way through tall grass, thick weeds, and dense underbrush effortlessly. It will even cut down 2-inch diameter trees. The crafted solid steel mowing deck of the 700 Series provides a strong platform that's built to last, featuring quality components and a 3-point hitch mount with floating top link for contoured cutting. PTO powered, the 700 Series rotary cutters transfer power to the knives using a shear pin protected, precision machined gearbox for the rigorous job of slicing and dicing overgrown vegetation and making your grounds trim and tidy. A factory-installed slip clutch is also available. Underneath the deck are 2 sharpened and hardened steel cutting knives that pin onto the 700's beveled stump jumper. This curved center disc allows the rotary cutter to ride up and over top of unexpected stationary obstacles, such as stumps and rocks with minimal damage. Welded midway below deck is MK's iron ring of protection, reducing the chance of cutting knives contacting the deck in the event of impact, a valuable feature that ensures long-lasting durability. Trailing behind the rotary cutter is a height-adjustable, segmented wheel designed for handling rugged terrain without risking a flat tire. At the rear is a rubber guard for added protection, while an optional chain curtain is also available. Expand your cutting reach with MK Martin's tool arm that offsets your rotary cutter to safely trim slopes and ditches. Made in Canada for over 50 years and backed by our 7-year limited warranty, MK Martin remains the trusted name and equipment for rural property care across North America. Contact your MK Martin dealer about the 700 Series rotary cutter that's right for your tractor and make your property a cut above. MK Martin. Living Country.